Okay, and this is where I'm trying to get you to this point. Okay, in a period of rising costs under LIFO, I'm getting rid of what first? The last one's in. Okay, last one's in and the first one's out. So the more expensive ones, if costs are rising, are going to be what? The first ones to go. All right, so I'm going to be left with what? If the last one's in and the first one's out, I'm going to be left at the end with the cheaper ones. Okay? So how will that impact my balance in inventory? Mathematically, in a period of rising costs, LIFO is going to give me what? It's going to give me a lower inventory balance. That's what we'll see next time. We'll do the same thing for LIFO and get a lower balance. Okay? The opposite of that is this. What's going to happen to cost of merchandise sold? Because you realize everything I purchase, I either still have, or I did what? Or I sold. Those are the only two options. Okay? So if inventory balance is lower under LIFO, what's going to happen to cost of merchandise sold? I'm getting rid of the more expensive things. Right? Okay? So cost of merchandise sold is going to be higher. Okay? The sales price will stay the same. Cost of merchandise sold will be higher. Gross profit will be lower. Okay? So what in the world would motivate somebody to choose LIFO? Won't that make income lower? And the answer is yes. What would be the strategy, business-wise, that I would want income to be lower?
Less taxes?
Save on taxes. Exactly right. Okay? So you'll know, and one of the things that we'll keep hitting on is, we're going to take this exact same data, do LIFO. Nothing is going to change economically. Same exact figures. Everything is going to be precisely the same. When we bought it, everything. We're just switching accounting methods. Okay? And it'll have a pretty dramatic impact on our books. Okay? So, which one of these that you pick is important. It's a big deal. Inventory management is a huge deal. There's a lot of people that get paid a lot just to consult on inventory management systems. So, that is a look. What did we do? We did this. Okay, perpetual FIFO. Perpetual LIFO is the most difficult of the bunch. Things can get really sort of confusing on LIFO perpetual. So Monday, we'll look at LIFO perpetual. On Wednesday, we'll knock those three out. Those are pretty easy. And then Friday, we'll take our test. Got it? Okay, y'all have a good weekend.